Alright, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be creating some amethyst rings. These amethyst rings are cut from one piece. As you can see, they're pretty. So first step we're going to do is we're going to wrap them, and after we wrap them we're going to put them on a pallet, and then we're going to do the bracing. So start with a good base and build up from there. And they do spin. All right, let's get it. my finished product. I got bracings to hold the stand so they don't move sideways, and I also have a bracing on the bottom of the 3 pieces. This is the main bracing. I added a little bit of a cushion, so now this will act as a spring or an isolator. So over the rough road, it will kind of have a little bit of a cushion, actually a lot of cushion, because there's a lot of cushion here and a lot of cushion here. And then I added my side bracings. This will kind of hold the pieces moving from left to right, and these pieces won't let it come this way. So they've been turned a little bit at an angle to accommodate the, I believe, 20 inches of a bit. Pretty happy the way this one came out. So all I just have to do is add the sides. After adding the sides, add a little bit of a roof, and then time to ship it out to a client. These are beautiful pieces, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna be happy with it. She's all done, finished, created, ready to be shipped out. If you like what you see, give me the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Appreciate it. Thank you.